Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'm going to show you how to customize a tumbler using fabric. Fabric comes in so many different patterns and colors, and it's fairly inexpensive, so the possibilities are endless. I'm gonna walk you through everything step by step. I started with this plain stainless steel tumbler I got on Amazon, and I'll be using this Spongebob fabric to customize it. You can find links to the products I'm using in the description of this video. First, I measured my tumbler and then cut my fabric down to size. I used a roller cutter and a ruler and cut a rectangle that would wrap all the way around the tumbler, leaving a bit of space uncovered at the top and bottom edges where I plan to apply some glitter. Next, I applied the fabric using Mod Podge and a foam brush. I applied a generous amount of Mod Podge to the tumbler and then began wrapping the fabric tightly around the tumbler, making sure to stretch it and smooth it out so that there wouldn't be any wrinkles or folds in the fabric. I added lots of Mod Podge on that final section where the fabric overlaps to ensure it was nice and secure. Then I let the Mod Podge dry for about an hour. Next, I applied another generous layer of Mod Podge over the fabric to seal it to the tumbler. I let that dry for about an hour as well, and then applied a coat of UV resin all over the tumbler, making sure to cover the top and bottom edges. You could also use 2-part resin for this. I just prefer UV resin because it cures much faster. I used my heat gun to get rid of any bubbles and then cured the resin with a UV lamp. At this point, there was a bit of a bumpy texture in the resin from all of the little fibers in the fabric, so I sanded the entire tumbler with sandpaper to get rid of the bumps and create a nice smooth surface. If you've never sanded a resin tumbler before, this will probably be terrifying and you'll feel like you're ruining all of your hard work, because this will scratch the heck out of it and make it look really ugly. But don't panic, because the next layer of resin will fill in all of the scratches and give it a beautiful shiny finish like they were never even there. Once everything was sanded, I gave it a wipe with rubbing alcohol to remove the dust. Then I applied a strip of washi tape around the top and bottom of the tumbler. I applied a layer of Mod Podge in those exposed sections around the rims and sprinkled on some blue glitter to add some sparkle and to hide the edges of the fabric. I peeled away the tape immediately to reveal the nice crisp edges of the glitter and then let the Mod Podge dry. Then I applied another coat of resin. Finally, I created a SpongeBob SquarePants decal using yellow vinyl and blue holographic vinyl. I applied it over the seam where the edges of the fabric overlap to hide it. Then I did one last coat of UV resin to seal everything in. And here is the final result. This is such a fun and easy way to add a pattern to a tumbler and a great way to use up some extra fabric you have laying around. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what you would like to see next. See you later!